Hey everybody, Hi Tech Hillbilly here. Well, I had a plumber out here to look at possibly replacing the well pump. He went into the house and he looked at the control box that controls the well pump and the pressure tank. This is what he found. Let's take a look here. So inside here, this is a capacitor. If you look in the side there, and look at the bottom of the capacitor, I don't know if that's in focus or not, but the capacitor was leaking. So basically, when the guy showed up and we went through some testing, I went through the same procedures to show him that the pressure tank, while the well pump, was tripping and zapping all of our voltage. Well, guess what? It didn't do that when he was here. It worked exactly as expected. It was only pulling 10 amps on each leg, and it was working exactly as it should. We tried it a few different times. So he went under the house and he looked at this box. He said the box is probably working intermittently because it needs to be replaced. So he brought me the box and he installed a new one. We tested it again, works fine. If we experience any more issues, then it'll be the well pump. But this is just the control panel, or the control box, for the well pump and the pressure tank. It was $75 for this box, and then plus labor. So it was about $200. Anyway, I just thought I'd give you all an update and let you know that the problem hopefully wasn't too serious. And that's that. This is High Tech Hillbilly out. Thank you for watching. Bye.